doing today?
Hey guys, good morning. My name is Muki and there is my brother Finn, and today we're gonna have a lot of fun because we're going to some waterfall, and then we're going to one big resort as well. There we do full adventure, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but I like it this day, my brother.
Alright, now we're waiting for Muki, the other two guys, to join us. We just drove in the city with the bike and then got this car. And yeah, I told you about this nice local, the best guy. He's here in the car, I show him to you. Hey, say hi to my friends. With the boss car. Look at this Jeep. That's legit. And look at boss. This is the best guy. What's up? Let's go now. Chalo, chalo.
It's gonna be our time start, guys.
Let's go. Look at this guy. He's familiar, right?
Look at this guy.
Filming a filmer. What a shame.
Well, I'm a new driver.
Great. Man and his whale to his wife. So many times it happens to man. Tarzan is in town.
Wow, it's really flexible.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah.
I think you should not hang on this one.
No. Look, it's dry. Yay! Hey guys, look at that
Look
shit!
at that!
It's fucking good! It's good for rappelling, you know?
Yeah, man. Wow, this is amazing.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record.
It's fucking amazing! Look at this waterfall! Woo-hoo!
Guys on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count.
This is my place where I stay. It's the cheaper version and a little hut. And this is where the boys stay. This one has SC as well. And yeah, what are we heading now? Heading out now. Alright, we're still planning the route right now. I'm trying to figure out where we're going. We're on the way, we know where we're heading. It's great. How was the ride?
Bumpy.
Bumpy?
Yeah.
Bumpy.
Yeah. Bumpy.
Oh, okay, a little bit bumpy. So let's see. Looks kind of impressive already. Yeah. Yeah. Let's enter the castle. Now I climbed to this place and it is gorgeous and beautiful. So this is where they put the prisoners inside with a tiger when they were not happy with their behavior.
Exactly. Oh, place for water.
Yeah, that's the boring story.
Raja?
Ah, the Rajas.
Raja.
Sarip ul Mulk.
Oh, okay.
Look like
Portuguese a little bit.
Portuguese
Portuguese or
or
English. Yeah,
Maybe two for them.
yeah. Oh, this is really impressive. Water?
Ah, here and there together. I don't know.
No tigers and prisoners involved. I mean, this looks like, look, they could put the cannon through and the arrows and then they could shoot out of it. So this is some kind of holy tree. Devi is a goddess. Durga and Devi. A really special place over here. Wow. What's up, adventurer? This is the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I really had fun sharing this experience and video with you. If you like my content, just subscribe and check out my Instagram as well. It's in the link in the description. Have a nice day and see you soon.